as we get back to networking events. You and the people in your company are going out and meeting people at industry conferences, company events, association events, etc. And yet, it's been 2 years since people have really been out in force face to face. Have you given any thought to training your team to be able to go out and network? I received a call from a law firm the other day who's hosting a big client event to celebrate their community. And yet they realized that many of their associates joined the firm during the last 2 years, and everybody in their firm hasn't been out in public networking in that amount of time. And so what they want to do is make sure that they're training everybody to be the proper hosts of the event. But whether your company is hosting an event or you're sending people out to attend a conference, if you're just letting people go, you're probably wasting money, because there's an investment of money and time involved with going to conferences. And you want to make sure that when your team shows up, they are representing your company in the best possible manner. So don't assume that networking just naturally happens after people have had a glass of wine or two. Make sure that the people you work with are armed with the proper ways to go out and have conversations, meet people, and then follow up with them. Because networking doesn't happen at a networking event. Networking happens after you've met somebody in the follow-up. Don't leave this to chance. Human connection is the secret weapon for your company. And yet, so many just assume that everybody's good at it. Well, maybe some of your people are good at it, but I would suggest that not everybody is. So as we open up the world and we get back to those face-to-face networking events, make sure that you're educating the people in your company how to network, why they're networking, and what to do with the relationships that they've created.